Wobbly wheels.
Puffy pistons.
Thomas, I should have collected Mr. Conductor.
James is right, little Thomas. Collecting Mr. Conductor is an important job, Important is big. James is a big engine, You, Thomas, are small. Small, teeny weeny weeny. And I'm a big blue engine who knows everything. Bossy sprockets, all that steam has gone to your funnel.
Hey, there they are. We'll fix the wagons. I'm not going to back it up. Me neither.
What's important is to stand up on our own wheels to Diesel. Toby's right. Diesel knows that the lost engine in the legend really exists.
What engine? What legend?
Legend of an engine more powerful than Diesel ever hoped to be. That's why he wants to find her. Then we'd better find her first.
Leave it to the big engines, Percy.
Little engines can do big things, especially when they have nice blue paint like me.
Hey, just watch what happens to the blue puffball when Howard the Flopper Chopper flies past here. Right. Routine flyby, chaps. Hello. The boss dumped sneezing powder everywhere. Let's start laughing now. Oh, sorry, Truth. Dust up. Let's stay healthy. Now, good to go. Bye now. Did you mean to look like that? No.
Yeah, neither did I. This must be Diesel's doing.
But choo!
Dear Mr. Conductor, well